Bonnie, happy Tuesday. I am back. I never did my Ipsy video for this month. I'm so excited. I haven't even dug into these bags and boxes yet. Thank you so much to Ipsy. I am part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, so they do send me the Glam bag and the BoxyCharm box each month. If you're interested, click the link below. So I'm kind of excited here. I don't even know what I got. Ooh, I got a purple bag. Got a purple bag. I was going to say box. Check it out. This is actually really nice. I like this. You know what? This is actually going to be good to go in my purse I just bought because it's nice and sparkly. How exciting. So looks like I got a brush, which I can always use. Love my makeup brushes. So what else is in here? Oh, check it out. Glow Your Soul. I think I'm going to do that. That's actually pretty cool. So what did I get? I got Come Clean. There's never been a better time to give your shelfie a clean slate, literally. So it looks like I got a mascara from Lash Stop. Always good to get a new mascara. I got from Toy Company. What is this? Toy Factory. I've never heard of this. I've never heard of this brand before. That's really interesting. Can I get it open? I'm just gonna rip it open. I want to see what's inside. Okay, it looks like maybe an eyeshadow. We're gonna find out. Yeah, it's mineral setting powder. That's cool. Never heard of them. I'll have to try that out. I also got the deep cleanser from First Aid Beauty, and I got a berry glaze overnight lip mask from Aceology. So that was the $13 Glam bag. And then, let me get in here. We're going to do the BoxyCharm box. I think the Icon box is coming next month or the next month. I love getting the Icon box. That's exciting. So, BoxyCharm, Glow Your Soul. So, what do I have here? So, I got let me get rid of that. 5 full-size products. You always get 5 full-size products in here. The first thing I got is the Instant Crush. This is half-caked. That's kind of funny. What is it? Oh, this is cool. What are these? Are these lip? They look like lip. They have to be lip. Oh my gosh, why can't I see what a lip gloss? 2 lip glosses in there. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm going to try one of these on. Oh, they kind of smell like cake. That's always a good thing. So 2 lip glosses. And then I got the Real Her Hold On To Your Dream Probiotic Setting Spray. I've never heard of a probiotic setting spray. That's actually kind of interesting. I can't even get this open. I might gift this. I don't know if I need probiotics in my setting spray. I haven't decided yet. Cupid's Arrow. This is the full color. This is like a lip pencil. I'm guessing this. I love lip pencils, by the way. I will always keep the lip pencil. Let me see here. Full color stylo. This is, what the heck? That's an eyeliner. Look at that. I thought it was a lip pencil. That is so weird that they didn't even say it's from Nabla. You know, it drives me nuts when they don't like say what it is on the packaging. Okay, got a couple more things here. I've got the niacinamide and caffeine eye bright cream from Copar. And then, I got a palette from Ofra. Okay, I saved the best for last. Signature palette. Oh my gosh, is this going to be pretty? I'm going to find out. You ready? I'm going to do the big reveal. Oh, that's actually really gorgeous. I like Ofra, by the way. Champagne Wishes Come True. Check out the shades. Those are actually really pretty. I'm keeping this. We have Truffle Divine, Rodeo Drive, Brown, and Clay. I'm just going to swatch one of these. They're typically really pigmented. Yeah, look at that. That's gorgeous. I love how creamy these are too. I'm gonna do this Rodeo Drive. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's gorgeous. So yeah, these are nice blending shadows, I'll have to say. If you're looking for like a smooth look, this is a good work look. I don't know. I've always liked Ofra, so that's good. So yeah, not a bad couple of boxes this month from Ipsy. Like I said, if you're interested, the link is below, and we'll have Ipsy coming back soon for February. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.